This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 35 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Graystone interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, oven, external shower, LP detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, skylight, self-contained, slide-out, spare tire kit, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS is 10,957 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.